Friends, if we talk about medical science, then whole world is looking towards Ayurveda science. But the real medical science is hidden in our Ved and Puran, whose great example is found in Mahabharata. Actually, all the other scriptures and Ayurveda are only a part of Vedas. The Vedas were written in Vedic era, which extend from 23,960 BC to 5,560 BC, while Mahabharata was written during 5,560 BC. Today, we are going to tell you about test tube baby, which modern science is yet trying to understand. But our Veda and Puranas have shown that how easy that is. There are a lot of examples in Vedas where test tube baby is used, not only humans but also on animals like Prabhu's brother, Prabhu, Vajra and Vibhu, who gave birth a horse baby from another mare, got calf from cow skin and made his parents young again. Such a similar and strange story is mentioned in Mahabharata as well, according to which 101 Kauravas were born through test tube baby like miracle science. According to Mahabharata, Queen Gandhari became naturally pregnant by her husband King Dhritarashtra. But even after the completion of 2 years, when she didn't deliver, then she got angry and removed her embryo from body. Actually, that was not her embryo, but an undeveloped child, and was looking like a piece of meat, which had not yet started taking human shape. As soon as Maharishi Vedvyas heard about this incident, he immediately came to see that piece of living meat and separated every single cell carefully. There were 101 cells, which kept in 101 different pots. These pots were not ordinary, but they were filled with ghee that are rich with many nutrients and life-giving energy. Gradually, the cells started to grow in those pots, and Maharaja Dhritarashtra and Devi Gandhari got 100 Kaurava sons and one daughter, whose name was Dusala. Scientific reference. The principle that Maharishi Vedvyas used in this whole process is known as division of living cells in today's medical science. Maharishi Vedvyas has followed this process with the inspiration from Prabhu's brother. Modern medical science is also following Maharishi's and Rig Veda's process and doing new miracles. There are many such examples that tells us that our sages were well trained in the science of test tube babies thousands of years ago. According to another example, the semen of King Drupad was kept in 2 different pots, from which Draupadi and Drishtadyumna were born. Similarly, Dronacharya was also a test tube baby. His father Bhardwaj had given birth to him without any woman, only from his semen. Not just this, as Dronacharya was test tube baby, his wife Kripi was also. But they got married, they lived normal life, and they gave birth to a son Aswathama as well. Maharani Kunti gave birth to Karna by the technique of parthenogenesis before her marriage to King Pandu. In this process, she stimulated her ovum in solar energy. If you talk about Dwapar Yuga, then Lord Sri Krishna's brother Balaram was also a test tube baby. This is because Devi Devaki's embryo was implanted in the womb of Queen Rohini, and that's how Balaram was born to Queen Rohini. All this tells us that how much our ancient science was developed and how far ahead and stick it was from modern time. If we talk about test tube baby, then our sages were well trained in that also. They were able to give birth by just semen because they were able to prepare such conditions where they did not need any lady or her womb. So friends, only our Vedas and Ayurvedas are those that tells us not just about advanced medical science and genetic theories, but have already discovered such things that modern scientists and doctors are still unsuccessful to discover. But the shameful thing is that we ourselves are forgetting the importance of our Vedas and Puranas. But you should not do this and share this video to everyone so that everyone can know their importance. With that, if you like the video, then press like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.